Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money from Venmo to bank account, quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your Venmo account if you haven't already. Locate and tap on the icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Select Manage Balance from the menu options. You will see your Venmo balance displayed on this screen. Tap on Cash Out to initiate the transfer process. Choose the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Venmo offers two cash out options, instant and 1 to 3 business days. If you select instant, a small fee will apply, but the funds will arrive almost immediately. For the standard option, select the 1 to 3 business days button to avoid any fees. After selecting your preferred option, tap Next to proceed. You will be prompted to confirm your bank account information. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you'll need to enter your bank details. Once your bank account is confirmed, tap on the Cash Out button. Wait for the confirmation alert that your transfer is processing. You will receive a notification once the transfer is complete. For the instant option, the funds will appear in your bank account right away. For the 1 to 3 business days option, check your bank account after the specified time frame. That's all it takes to transfer money from Venmo to your bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.